Welcome to GRE subject test. In this video, we're going to do problem number 3 and 4. To do number 3, the first thing we need to know is the standard basis for R4, which I have already listed there. And then since we know V and W are two-dimensional subspaces of R4, so then we can list some possible combinations of V and W. The first case is when they have the same basis. So say they all have E1 and E2. Then V intersect W gonna be 2 because all the things are the same. The second case is when they only have one thing in common, let's say E1. Both of them have E1. And then E2, E3. So if we take the intersection, the dimension gonna be 1. And the last case is they have nothing in common. So say V has E1 and E2, and W has E3 and E4. Then the intersection gonna be 0. So the answer is D. For problem number 4, it's hard to draw the given equation directly and find the intersection with x-axis, but we can rewrite this equation. It's e to the x equals negative x plus 2. So we can draw these two separately. 1, 2, 3. 2, 3. And the right-hand side is negative x plus 2. So it's bad graph. So it's 2, 0 and 0, 2. And the slope is negative 1. For the second one, we know when x equals 0 is 1, and when x equals 1 is 2.7 something. So it's up there. And by looking at this graph, we can cross choice C, D, E because it only has one intersection. That means it only has one solution. Now we need to determine whether the solution is in 0 to 1, this interval, or outside this interval. If we look at x equals 1, this point, the height of e to the x is 2.7 something, and the height of negative x plus 2 is 1. And we can see clearly the intersection happens before x equals 1, so we know the answer is B.